It's been really cold these days, and my skin and hair have been feeling the effects of it. So the other day I was inspired to create a moisturizing routine for myself, complete from head to toe, to help with all of this dryness. And I'm sure I'm not the only one that's been struggling with this, so today I'll be sharing what I did, and I hope you find it helpful too. Let's start with the hair mask I did. I melted 1 tablespoon of coconut oil using a double boiler. And then once the oil was melted completely, I added half of an avocado and I mashed it using a fork. And feel free to double up on this if you have longer hair or if you have a lot of it. Both of these are incredibly moisturizing. They're amazing ingredients for the hair. They're so nourishing. So I applied this all over, but I kept the focus on the ends of my hair, which is typically where the damage or dryness really shows. Moving on to the face, I was looking for something that would gently exfoliate, but also moisturize at the same time, so I decided to combine half a tablespoon of yogurt and half a tablespoon of honey. Yogurt contains lactic acid, so it provides a very gentle exfoliation, and honey, of course, is a natural moisturizer. So I usually like to leave face masks like this for quite a long time so I can really reap the benefits. I just feel like the longer I leave it, the better. I'm all about keeping things as simple as possible, so I made 1 scrub and I used it to exfoliate my lips, my hands, and the rest of my body. And all I used was sugar and olive oil, which is my favorite scrub to make. I love this combination, and I don't typically follow measurements when I make this. I just kind of eyeball it until I have the consistency I want. I've always struggled with dry hands, but this year, especially because of the pandemic, I've been washing my hands more than usual and applying hand sanitizer like crazy, of course, so my hands are very dry. I've gone through so many hand creams, but this scrub is amazing. It's always been my go-to, so if you're currently dealing with dry hands, try this. Your hands will feel baby soft. It's very effective because it helps buff away the rough, dry skin, and at the same time, it moisturizes the skin. And if this winter season has also left you with dry, chapped lips, this scrub can definitely help with that as well. I used the rest of the scrub to exfoliate my entire body in the shower, and of course, I also went ahead and washed off the hair mask and face mask. The best time to moisturize is right after a shower. It really helps to lock in the moisture. For the body, I whipped up a very simple body butter that consisted of shea butter, coconut oil, and almond oil. I melted everything together using a double boiler system. I let it solidify, and then I added some drops of lavender, and then whipped everything together using a handheld mixer just until it turned fluffy. So I just took my time massaging this into my body, especially focusing on very dry areas like my hands. So to moisturize my face, I used a very generous amount of jojoba oil, which is still one of my favorite moisturizers. I've been talking about this for years. It resembles the skin's natural sebum, so it's a great oil to use on the face especially. To moisturize my lips, I applied a layer of coconut oil, which is a little bit thicker, and it's just what I needed for my chapped lips. So this ended up being a very relaxing self-care, self-love routine, and I'm always looking for ways to include more moments like this into my life. So I'd like to thank this winter weather for inspiring me to create this. I hope you give this routine a try, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.